Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this lesson you're going to learn about installing Python packages for data science in Power BI. So let's start with this. So once you have Power BI downloaded on your computer, or you can use an online installer, the next step is to ensure that you have all the Python packages required for data science pre-installed. So just go to File, Options and Settings and Options. Here you just move to Python scripting tab and just select these two options. You have to detect the Python home directory. If Python is already installed on your computer, you can find it into this PC, C, System32 for Windows, and for Mac and Linux with respective directories. And also you have to select the Python IDE to detect, but it is set to default OS program. In my settings, you can define a different IDE. So if you don't have a Python installed, you should go to the python.org website and you can simply download the Python package, the latest one, and just provide its path in the home directory settings in Power BI. Next step is to open the command line interface and just execute 3 different commands. First for installing pandas, then for matplotlib, and then for seaborn. So just type py minus m pip install pandas. So this will install the pandas file. And before that, you can make sure that the Python is already installed on your system or not. You can run the Python command in the directory where it is. So for us, the directory is C users and the username. So currently in the directory within the Python folder. You can run it in the user directory as well. So I already have the pandas library installed, but if you don't have, this is the way you can install it for those who don't know how to install. So just run these 3 commands. The first syntax is similar: py minus m pip install, and then you have to just provide pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. In the same way, you can also download other file libraries required in the Python, and even if you have already installed matplotlib or seaborn, you can update it. Okay, it will tell you whether it is installed or not installed, or it is outdated. It will simply update it. So this will be very easy to go technique rather than just using a GUI method. It is very simple to do. So once these libraries are installed, you just need to refresh your Power BI, and you can just click on Python visualization option. So this way you can create a visualization for Python, and here you have to just drag into the columns or fields from the table and start coding. So you will be learning how to write Python codes to create visualization charts in Power BI in the coming lessons. Just make sure everything is installed and set into the place before moving to Python scripting. If you're done with this, just hit the next lessons, or if you have any doubt, just try to rectify this thing. Keep learning,